Order fill.
Good morning, everyone. Today is Thursday, October 3rd, 2024, and we're going down with QQQ.
Horizontal line triggered on symbol QQQ.
So we're going to lock in $1 right now. I'm going to give a recap of why we took this trade here in just a moment. Right here is a $2 drop. So I'm expecting this to drop down to about 481.50, 481.75. We're going to see how it reacts off of that.
Horizontal line triggered on symbol QQQ.
And there's a $2 move, ladies and gentlemen. We're going to lock in that $2 right now, and we're going to see how it reacts. We actually might punch out. I want to see how this reacts off of the point of control.
Order fill.
And there's a $2.60 drop, ladies and gentlemen. Right here would have been a $3 move, but since we are reacting off the point of control that sent this market up, what I expect to see happen is acceleration to the upside, die out, and we're looking to take this back down. So we're going to go over why we took this setup, and then we're going to wait for a second setup. So we had an inverted H, inverted H. Inverted H wide state, inverted H. V pattern, wide state, inverted H. All right, this might be the retrace that we're looking to take this back down. If the price holds below the 21 moving average, we'll wait a moment or two. We'll get in to take this back down, at least back to the point of control. So let's just see what happens. And we're going to go down with QQQ right.
Order fill.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, we're going back down. I believe this is going to be a continuation setup. Here in a few moments, once we get settled, I will mark up our charts once we get a little bit past $1 if it drops that far. I definitely expect it to get down to the 481.25, 481 area, and then we'll play it bar by bar from there.
Horizontal line triggered on symbol QQQ.
And there's a $1 drop, ladies and gentlemen. What we're going to do is we're going to lock in half of our gains, and we're going to see if this drops down to the low end of the point of control. Let's change the transparency, and we're going to mark out where we got in. We got in at 10.19, and as you can see, the price is coming down to this point of control. Now, depending on how long it stays, it might clear the point of control, get far enough, and then retest underneath it. So we're going to pay attention to that.
Horizontal line triggered on symbol QQQ.
And there's a $2 drop, ladies and gentlemen. So what we're going to do right now is we're going to lock in a guaranteed $2, and we're going to see how this price reacts to the 480.50 area. If we don't get through it, that area with speed and violence, like right now, we might pull our profits. Hold on.
Order fill.
And there's another $2.60 run. So the first trade, $2.60. The second one is $2.60. So we're looking at $5.20 on 2 trades today. As always, never forget, be a pro.